Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look using the 65 Kenya shillings braids. I think this style is very cute and very easy to achieve, so buckle up and watch till the end. If you have any questions, just comment down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer you as soon as I see your question. And also, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell in order to get notified each and every other time I upload a new video. I'll just show you guys how it's done. So what you need right now is 2 packs of the flaxi rod, and I have the medium size and the large, but if you prefer more tighter curls, opt for the smaller ones. A detangling comb and some leave-in conditioner because this is synthetic hair that needs to be tamed down, and finally your braiding hair. I wanted a different color than what I'm used to, so I'm using the Darling Pamoja short line braids in number 19, and I'm using the 3 packets. So the first thing that I'm doing is to detangle the knot, then apply in some leave-in conditioner because I want the hair to be more flexible and manageable. Then I divide the hair into small sections and start winding around the flaxi rod. When you begin, you want to make sure that you've tightened the knot, and I'm doing this by twisting the flaxi rod against the hair, as you can see, and then I wrap it around till there is no more left. Afterwards, I secure the end by bending the rod. You can also secure when you start by bending that rod. You can do 2 sections per rod so that you don't have to go for many rounds, because while I was beginning I used 1 section per rod and that I saw would take a lot of time, so I started doing 2 sections of hair per rod, and I ended up doing 20 rods 3 times so that they were 30 sections. But I didn't use all my hair. I ended up using half of the last packet because I thought that the hair was quite a lot. So afterwards I placed them in a bucket and poured hot water on them. Make sure that the hair is submerged in the water because you want all the curls to take shape. Dry and unwind them. You don't want to tug too hard while you're removing them because that makes them lose their curls, so be careful while removing them from the flaxi rods. This is how they look from 1 packet. So now I am braiding my hair, but you can choose to have it done professionally.
A few moments later.
Mine weren't neat at all because I didn't want to have the hairstyle in for a very long time. So if you want yours to last a little bit longer and they be so neat, just go and get your hair done professionally. And you need a crochet needle for this next step. So for the back part, I'm using the regular method of crochet, but as I approach the front, I'm using the invisible knot method, where you can run the crochet hook through your hair while it is opened, put the hair in and pull through. Take one of the ends and pull through the U-shaped coil that you've just made and go over it again for extra security. And this is the final look. Oh my god, I just love how it's so bouncy and it's cute, and I can't believe that I only used 195 shillings for the 3 packets of hair, and this is how it looks afterward, and I totally loved it. But I would have preferred to have more tighter curls. I wanted it to look like coils, but it didn't. But overall, this is a very nice cheap look. Stay blessed, guys.